I'm not here to convince anybody that like what you're doing is right and or wrong. I think most men know. I think deep deep in the core, deep at the heart level, you know, like right. So I'm not like I don't have to persuade you there.
It's not a mystery.
Yeah, I think what you hit on though is they feel embarrassed or they feel shameful about it. And I think that's where a lot of guys are living. They're like, yeah, this is a problem, but I can't go talk to so and so because of the judgment, or I'm a bad person because I'm doing this. One of the, when we talk about shame, one of the most profound things that I was able to read or learn or understand is in Dr. David Hawkins' book, Power versus Force, where he gives these levels of consciousness. Like you have all the way at the highest level, like enlightenment, and then at the bottom of consciousness, you have death. Well, right above death is shame. So if you're dealing with shame, like you're basically one step above death. Well, how do you get out of shame? Number one is you have to talk about your problem. The minute you openly admit that you have a problem and the problem is not you, you now detach yourself from shame. Because what is shame saying is you are a bad person. There's a difference between guilt and shame. Guilt is you did something bad. Shame is you're a bad person for what you did. So by openly admitting and acknowledging that you have a problem, but you are not the problem, you've now elevated yourself out of the shame now into a guilt. And understanding that you are the person that is making these choices and decisions is now empowering you with a level of personal responsibility. Is, oh, I am making these decisions. It's not who I am. Now I can make better decisions and choices to get myself out of this.